Cheers! Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you something interesting. What happens when China meets Mexico? So basically, I have mixed Tepache and Kombucha. If you are not familiar with Tepache, you can check out my video on how to make Tepache and also how to make Kombucha. This Tepache and Kombucha both are fermented drink. Tepache is from Mexico. Kombucha is originally from China. Now it's quite famous in everywhere. So I tried to mix Tepache Kombucha and I have added some ginger bark and then the result was amazing. Let me show you the initial process. When it comes to quantity, there is no black and white rules. You can manipulate the quantity as per your preference. Ideally, 10% of sugar of total Tepache you are making and 5% of spices are fine. Especially if you like any kind of spice and you want that spice to dominate the flavor, you can add more. Adding pineapple a little bit will help the Tepache flavor more. I'm adding one fermented chili from my previous lacto fermentation. You can add any chili, normal chili are fine. But make sure you are not adding more chilies, your Tepache will be very spicy then. I'm going to add some ginger bag I had. Around 100 ml ginger bag will be fine for 900 ml Tepache. I'm going to give lime flavor to my Kompache. You can mix Kombucha and Tepache ratio as per your preference. I wanted Tepache to dominate the flavor, hence adding 20% Kombucha and 80% Tepache. Since I'm not adding any fruits, I'm going to add 1.5 spoon sugar so that yeast and bacteria will have some food while they are fermenting and creating carbonation and fizziness. Tepache Kombucha ginger bug. They come together and they create magic. Cheers. So much fizziness, so much carbonation, and it can really replace your, hard drink, soft drink, any kind of drink which is not very healthy and you are addicted to. I think now you should get rid of those and then you should try this one. Try at home and let me know how it was. If you like this video, comment below, give me a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, hit the bell button. See you again. तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना. तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना. तू दिन सहे मैं रात आना, दोनों मिल जाए शामों की तरह. ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरे